Now, dear student, next is olfactory indicators. Where olfactory indicator means related to smells. So there are two types: onion extract, vanilla extract. What is the smell of onion? Very characteristic smell. The smell is also called characteristic smell. Onion का smell तो हम लोग जानते कैसे बताएं? So we can say that उसका smell क्या कहेंगे? Characteristic smell होता है, नाक पे लगता है. So we can say that onion extract has a characteristic smell. And what is about vanilla extract? Extract मतलब क्या होता है? कोई नेचुरल सब्सटेंस को पीस के मोटार बना के और उसको हम कंप्रेस करके उसमें से जो लिक्विड बाहर निकालते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सट्रैक्ट. When we grind the onion and then we take out the liquids from the onion, that extract is called onion extract. And similarly, vanilla is a pleasant smell. Vanilla having a pleasant smell. Vanilla ice cream, very pleasant. So this is also used to indicate either acid or base. Dear student, you take two beaker. In one beaker take acid and one beaker take base. When you add onion extract in acid and base drop by drop in two beaker, after some times you come closer to the beaker and smell it, you will find that the smell cannot be detected in which base is there. But in acid, a smell can easily detect it. What does it mean? It means that base has confirmatory taste with this extract, that is onion extract. There's some chemical reaction taking place. Some chemical composition changed. That's why the smell also vanished. So this olfactory indicator is a confirmatory test for base. When they are added to base, then a smell cannot be detected either with the onion extract or either with the vanilla extract. Both are confirmatory test for base only. And now another also indicator is also called the universal indicator. Universal indicator is that type of indicator which can identify the actual strength of acid or base. How strong the acid is, how weak the acid is, how strong the base is, how weak the base is. So actual strength of acid and base can be detected with the help of universal indicator. And universal indicators are of two, that is pH paper and pH meter. pH paper, a type of paper strip which is made up of several types of mixture of dye, several kinds of color. When they put in acid, they change different colors. When base, they different colors according to the strength of the acid and base. And pH meter, simply a meter scale is there. You take the solution or chemical, dip the anode and cathode rod in the solutions. After some time, the indicator tells you what is the value of pH value. Exact value can be find out. So pH value is up to 0 to 14. We will discuss about universal indicator in detail in the proceeding topics, coming topics. Okay. So today we have discussed about the indicators, about the acid and base. How can we find out the which substance is acid and which substance is base? So, my dear student, I hope you understand. Thank you.